Hola beauties, and welcome back to another try on haul. If it is your first time here, I am Ursula, aka the Enhancer of Enhanced Beauty, and welcome to the channel that is all about beauty, fashion, and lifestyle. Before we get into the video, let's make sure that you are subscribed to the channel. Remember to click your bell so that you don't miss out on anything that I'm bringing to you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up. You know, that matters in these videos. It helps with growing my channel. And if you are returning, welcome back. Today's fashion haul is featuring Rosewe. They are at Rosewe official on Instagram, and they have teamed up with me sponsoring this video. This is my first time wearing pieces from Rosewe. I'm not sure on how shipping works because, as you all know, we are in the midst of a pandemic and shipping has just not been normal. Everything is taking just a little bit longer because people couldn't go out. Everyone had to order online. It got to me pretty quick, like within a week. Their prices are very affordable. Just check them out, www.rosewe.com. So without further ado, let's get into the video. I am beginning with this first piece. It is a dress. It is a cold shoulder dress. Polka dot. Polka dot is always on trend. It really never go out of style. And it's kind of like an A-line cut. I'm going to step back. Oh, let me just say, as far as sizing, everything I order is a little bit big because I wasn't sure how the sizes ran. I wasn't sure about the fit. So this dress is a size 14. It's a little bit loose. It's not really fitting like it's supposed to, but I mean, it still look good. Let me just step back. I went ahead and styled her up for you so you can see exactly how it would look. Got the heels on, bracelets. This waist is supposed to be cinched a little more, but as you can see, it's loose because it's a 14. This dress gives me mom vibes. I mean, I would actually wear this dress if I was going to dinner with my family or like a school function with my kids. To me, this just gives me mother vibes. Two things I would do. It's cold shoulder, it's true, but when I tried it on, because I did try this on before I did the actual haul, but I tried it on wrong and I actually like it that way. So what I did was I had it like this. And I like it this way better. Those flaps on the cold shoulder, it's a little bit hot. This is how I would wear it, and I would also pair a wide belt with it, just to give it a little oomph. And this is how I would rock her. Still giving me mom vibes, but this is how I would rock her. Dear mama. All right, look number 2 is this really cute one shoulder top. It has the puff sleeve here, polka dot as you can see. It's really loose right here, that's why I'm doing that. But let me step back so you can see the full effect, because this is a high-low top.
Girl, baby girl, baby girl, baby girl.
Let me let you see. Now this top, I consider it to be a statement top. It's making a statement without me having to say a word just by itself. Now I've paired this top with these black denim Bermuda shorts, pants, I don't know. So anyway, I paired them with these because whenever I wear something like this, a top like this, I want to make sure that my bottoms are fitted. Whenever you have something loose and flowy, anything that hangs, you want your bottoms to be fitted because you don't want to take away from this. If you have pants that are wide leg or something that's bulky, it will make you look bigger than what you are. So you want to keep your body and your silhouette and your shape looking nice and sleek. You want to make sure that you wear something that's fitted and more kind of sticking to your body. I wasn't sure about the sizing. This top is either a size large or it's a size 14. I can't remember. Now, I'm short. I'm 5'3". I have on heels, and this is a perfect length. Now, this is a tad bit loose. I will definitely have to get this tightened because I don't want to have any mishaps. But it zips here. Whenever you're putting it on or off, you have this side zipper. And, I mean, everything else is just cute. Really cute.
Came through drip, drip, drip.
Now, as you can see, I am in yet another swimsuit. Y'all, I never thought that I would be in the swimsuit on camera. Okay, but that last video got me ready for this. Anyway, this is a two-piece.
Say what?
Can you believe that? It's big, it's a size 14. I just really played myself. Actually, I didn't, because I've been working hard, you know, on this journey that I just keep starting. Like, I done started by 500 times, but it doesn't matter. It's not about how you start, it's all about how you finish. So anyway, I love the color. It is orange. Let me step back. It has padding on the inside. These pads, I think, are removable because they just kind of stick out like a sore thumb. It hooks. Let me turn around. You tie it here, it's like a halter, and then you have these two. They hook. The bottom is covered. It has two little peekaboo sides here. That's it. It's cute. I like it. You can tell I have another swimsuit. This one is all black. Have a little design in the front. These two straps here that crisscross, they hook in the back, but it's all black. This one I'm not too, it's okay. It's smushing my boobs in, and it does have the padding right here. It has a little keyhole here, full coverage, front and back. And then you can see where crisscross hooks in the back. I don't know, it's just okay. I probably would wear it. I have all these swimsuits now. I have to plan a vacation. Well, once we're COVID-19 safe. And
Poppin', she thick.
All right, y'all, we have come to the end. Last but never least, it's this cute denim jumper. It's a button-down jumper that won't seem to stay buttoned around the girls. So I would have to get me a cute little bralette. Let me just let y'all see.
Yeah. Okay.
Really cute. This dress is very, very stretchy. I have a size large. The reason it's like this is because they won't stay closed. As soon as I button it, and I will show you. See that? It done already popped the loose. It won't stay closed. So that's why I say I'll find a really cute bralette to go underneath so that it doesn't look like this, or even a cute bra. Something that's a little bit more appealing to the outfit. This bottom button too keeps popping open, so you need to make sure you have on either some biking tights or a shaper, something that if it pop open, you know, you won't just be exposed. And this is the back. Now, the way I would wear this, let me show you. You can dress her up or down. I prefer to dress it down with some really cute sandals, really cute bag, belt. You know, accessories are the real MVP. They will bring any outfit and take it to a whole nother level. These accessories just gave it some life.
Oh, I need them out to clean the floors, too much drip. Oh, I keep it not.
And that will wrap up this try-on haul from Rosewe at Rosewe Official on Instagram. I want to thank you for tuning in to yet another try-on haul. Make sure that you join the squad by clicking that subscribe button. Don't forget your notification bell so you can always be in the know. Make sure you check the description box because I will have links to every outfit that I tried on today. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Y'all, the algorithm to YouTube and all that, I need those thumbs up. And make sure you leave me a comment. I need to know what you thought of this try-on haul and what you would like to see next. Before I sign off, let me give a shout out to Miss CEO herself, Michaela. These are her lashes that I am wearing. This is the 1012. She is 10.12 collection on Instagram. Check out her website at 1012co.com. With that being said, I want you all to continue to stay safe, be blessed, and stay popping, YouTube. Adios.